Hi guys, in this video we are going to be learning about the first two vowel sounds of the phonemic chart. Those vowels are vowel number 1 E and vowel number 2 E. So let's start with the E sound. This is a short vowel sound and it is pronounced E. To produce this sound, put your tongue close to the top and the front of your mouth. Stretch out your lips as you were smiling and then make a short voice sound E. Now you try. Repeat after me. E. E. Now here are some words which have this sound. We have think, insect, minute. Now you try. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Think, insect, minute. Good. In contrast to the E sound, we have the E sound, that is a long vowel sound. And we can know that because of the dots that it has in it. To produce this sound, you put your tongue high and at the front of your mouth. Stretch out your lips and make a long voice sound. Now, here are some words that have this sound. For example, see, feed, and machine. Now you try. Listen carefully and repeat after me. See, feed, machine. For speakers from some languages, it may be difficult to tell the difference between the E sound and the E sound. In the wake of that, listen carefully to hear the difference between the two in each pair of examples. I will say the E sound first. Hit, heat, sick, seek, will, wheel. So that's it for this video. I hope you can find the difference between these two sounds. For more information and exercises, there will be some links in the description. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below in the comment section. Also, there are more videos about vowel sounds in our YouTube channel. Finally, at the end of this unit, there will be exercises for you to practice. Thanks for watching.